Have you ever been told by probably, I don't know, a girlfriend, a significant other, a close family member, quite possibly your parents, you're wasting your life? I'll explain that in a little bit here. But let me take this opportunity and this beautiful Saturday to enjoy the view, my peace, my serenity, which I have because I'm sober. I have a clear thought. I feel healthy. Aware of bugs flying at me. Now, on a Saturday, not too distant in the past, I wouldn't have had this opportunity because I was wasting my life. And here's what that would look like on a weekly basis. All right, so Thursday was the pre-party to get ready for the Friday and the Saturday of partying, like real partying, okay? You're wasting your life. No way. No, I'm not. I'm living my best life. Look at me. I'm going to go out Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Preoccupied my entire week to look forward to the Thursday, Friday, Saturday of getting all messed up, obliterated, and literally not even really remembering half of it. Okay, so don't know if I'm necessarily living my best life, more like wasting my life. Well, at least the weekend part, right? The Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And of course, arguments and fights and arrests, that was quite common. But I'm living my best life, right? Now, the preoccupation with that. Oh, and then Sunday was an absolute dumpster fire. I wasn't worth anything because I just lay on the couch all day and maybe wake up at 2 or something like that. And gear up and get ready for the dreaded case of the Mondays. Well, that was self-inflicted. So yes, I wasted Sunday for sure. Then show up to wherever I need to go on Monday, usually work, and be I'm there. I'm physically there. If wearing clothes counts as, yay, you made it, yes, I made it. But was I productive? Did I do my job? Did I care? Was I of any value then? No, absolutely not. All right, Monday goes by. Tuesday, you're starting to wear off a little bit. And you're looking forward to Thursday again. Okay, so now I'm consumed with, and my attention is on the substance, the drugs, the alcohol. It's consuming my time and taking over my time. So am I still living my best life? No, because my priorities are messed up. They're focused on the 100% the wrong thing, which is drugs, alcohol, and living my best life, which is wasting my life. But I don't know it because I'm kind of delusional. Let me know if this is ringing true for you. All right, so now that my attention is focused on Thursday, I'm still not really paying attention to the rest of the week and being productive and bringing value and being a good friend or a good significant other or good to my relationship or good to my parents or anything like that, or my sister, my niece, and my nephew. And I'm not doing that. I'm not genuine. All right. So let's math it out. Wasting your life out of 7 days out of the week. Okay. 7 days out of the week. So I'm wrecked on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday is a recovery waste of a day. So 3 of the days I can only literally remember half of it, and then Sunday I'm not really functional as a human being. Monday, barely functionable, and still with resentments and shame and guilt because I don't know what I did this weekend. I don't know. How was your weekend? Ooh, it was fun. I don't know what I did, but it's probably shameful and guilt, and I maybe should apologize. All right, so that's like, okay, your Thursday, my Thursday's gone, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, then Tuesday and Wednesday may be good productive days, but I'm not focused on production. I'm focused on next Thursday, the coming up Thursday, to repeat it all over again. So, wasting life. So when you were to add it all up and subtract it all up, that's literally a -1 as far as any kind of production and being a human being and bringing any type of value, care, compassion, or making a difference. So yeah, they were 100% right. I was wasting my life. Now, what's it look like? What they were really trying to say was, you're wasting your life, is I'm meant to do more. You're meant to do more. We're made to produce, be goal-oriented, bring value, feel good about ourselves by accomplishing things, by making a difference, sharing our experiences with others so that they don't have to fuck it up like I'm telling you right now. And hopefully this is ringing true. So what do we have to do? Oh, I don't know. I guess it's pretty simple. Drop the drugs, drop the drink, get some clarity, do better, and work harder. Make it a great day.